ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning, my name is Rob Clayton. Once again, the Australian dollar challenges the upside and fails towards the resistance of 77.70. With this level expected to cap on the day, the bias holds towards the downside, seen by the momentum here that's weakening, and look towards the support of 77.20. A break here should open way and expose the next level at 77.60, which could see mild demand returning. A break at 77.70 would expose a further advance, but again, I do anticipate the resistance to hold around 78.45.60. But with the bearish outside range day still intact, and still very strong indication that we're seeing a decline here to eventually emerge, should eventually see that target of 76.60 reached. Euro dollar once again stages another advance, but again finds resistance at 113.40, only minor though, with a cap still holding at 113.80. On the day, I do anticipate a decline down towards 112.20, which may find short-term demand there. Two levels to look out for in the next 24 hours is 112.20. If that breaks, then I'm looking down towards the support of 110.5. And on the top side, the market needs to clear that 113.80 and move on to 114.20.60 to produce a rally up towards the 117 region, which was spiked back here in August. However, looking at the intraday play, I still feel the downside is the most vulnerable, and my objective still remains at 110.50.60. Dollar yen stages a mild decline yesterday in the early hours of Sydney trading session before staging a demand in front of the support of 110.40.50. On the day, I expect to see a mild decline down towards the support, seen around 110.50 to 110.80, with the overall outlook of eventually seeing a push up towards 112.20.25. So I'm still bullish in dollar yen while we hold above 110.40. Sub 110.40 exposes 109.20.30. Sterling still shows a very strong bias to the upside from the break of 144.80. One thing to note though is the technical pattern, while the market rallies, does not support it. This in turn suggests that this is just a stop loss move above 144.80 and the market's just trying to find the short term stop losses to push the rise higher. Overall, I expect to see a decline from 146.15 down to 145.40. A break of 145.40 should expose and move towards 144.35.55 before short-term demand. A break of 144.35 would expose further weakness down towards 142, which I'm in favour of. And to wrap with gold, if we look at the longer term picture, we can see these attempts to rise still fails with no or little momentum and no show of demand in the stochastic coming through. Looks now towards the support of 112.38, with locking in a range of 38 to 48. I anticipate a move through 38 and look down towards 1,230 to 32 with an objective of 1,222 to 24. In the event we get a break above 48, then that would see a move to retest these highs around 64 to 68, but not to sustain. So just to wrap, I anticipate gold to fall lower. Any rally in sterling should find the technical support to see a further decline back towards the levels I've been looking for, 145.40. Dollar yen still poised towards the upside at 112.20 objective. Euro is still looking down towards 110.5. And the Australian dollar to be capped around 77.70 and look down towards 77.20 to 76.60. Thank you for listening and have a great day.